I'm Shelby Meyer, and we're with the STgenetics Beef team. Today, Adeline and I are here in Navasota, Texas at the STgenetics headquarters, and we just wanted to show you a quick DIY project that you and your family can do during these quarantine times where we're stuck in our houses and limited to where we can go to keep you and your family safe from spreading the COVID-19 virus. Also, we did want to start off by saying that we just want to thank all of the first responders for fighting this virus at the front lines of it, and then also to our ranchers, our farmers, truck drivers, packers, and grocery store workers for providing us Americans with quality food nonstop. So thank you for that. We really appreciate it here at ST, and I know all of us have been very, very thankful to be able to go into our grocery stores today and still be able to buy safe and fresh products. So Adeline, if you kind of want to go in and start off by showing everyone what they need to do this DIY project and how to build it.
So like Shelby said, we're going to show you a quick and easy project that you could do at home with essentials that you probably have laying around your house. Don't forget that washing your hands for 20 seconds is important. Obviously, hand sanitizer. Gloves too if you have them. Most farmers and ranchers have these laying around their barns or offices, so we're just going to put these on to kind of help that as well. So what we took is duct tape, which fixes everything.
Yes.
Scissors, a simple ball cap, and then a plastic shield for the guard part of it. I know there's been videos of like Coke bottles. We used a laminating sheet. I know people have school projects that they could pull these from. So we're just going to go ahead and show you how we're going to build our face mask today. So we went ahead and pre-cut our duct tape. So you're going to take a small piece of tape and put it on the inside of the cap. Like so. I know Shelby's already got hers done. And then another piece of tape for the top of the shield. It helps if you put the cap on first.
Any cap will work. We've heard that STgenetics caps actually work best, so make sure that's the one you're using.
And then just apply like so. So there you have it, a simple, easy way to help the prevention of COVID-19. We just want to, again, thank everyone who's out and about during these times. If you need more information, you can visit our website at www.stgen.com. or give us a call at 866-589-1708 to either order through the call center or find a local representative. We are still working during this time to be able to provide for all your spring breeding needs, so please feel free to give us a call or visit our social media platforms too that will have plenty of information as far as our bull lineup, simple hacks like so, and just information within our beef department. So we just wanted to let everyone know we're thinking about y'all during this time, and we're here if you need it.